Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for watching another video. 6:30 in the morning. We're heading out to the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville. We make it a family event every year, and this year is no different. Currently getting ready to load up and head out and get something to eat before we go down there and spend the day. So, looking forward to having a good time, seeing what's new down there. Maybe find something and buy something and bring it home. You never know. So, won't you tag along, come with us, check it out if you can't make it yourself. Let's have fun today.
Farm people.
Are you excited for the farm show, Mama?
Oh, yes, I am.
Are you excited, Darcy?
Yeah.
Walking in and getting something to eat. Emmy, what are you going to get?
I don't know. Food.
That's a very good analogy, Darcy.
Boy. And they changed.
Did you enjoy your gourmet meal? Jackets in the car, so we didn't have to pack them all day, but that gone is 20 degrees out. It's daggone cold. Ain't it, Emmy?
Yeah.
After you, my dear sir.
There's people skipping.
Word. Didn't have coffee. Got tractor stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Emmy, how long have we been here?
Not even an hour.
And how much money have we spent already?
Too much.
Too much money. How much more money are we going to spend? A lot. It's worth it, folks. An hour later, we finally make it onto the show floor. It's probably the closest thing I'll ever get to owning a real one. We're walking into the Tartar booth to scope out more things to spend money on. Found a little squeaky toy. Prepare to be annoyed if you catch us walking by. Also, there's a pink bush hog. Pretty cool.
We'll just move the sign. Alright, so introduce yourself, where you're from, and why you love your chocolate color.
Ready? My name's Derek Stout, from Salem, Indiana, about 45 miles north of here. I love John Deere because it's been a generational thing for multiple generations. My grandfather, my dad, now me, a John Deere employee. For us, green and yellow paint is more than just a color, it's a way of life. We use it every day to make a living, to be able to feed our families. So it means more than just a color and a tractor. For us, it's a way of life. And what we do without it, I have no idea. Everything green and yellow on our farm, don't have no other color. Just love it, everything about it. Couldn't imagine a way of life without it.
It's beautiful. They should pay you for this.
I guess I'm officially an internet celebrity.
Won't do a thing to ease the rain. I'd love to try and settle down, but everybody's leaving town. So
They got it all shined up just to take it home, put it back to work.
It is a nice truck.
It is nice. $52,000?
Yep. Got air conditioning. Silverado.
That's 50 pounds on your back, though.
No, then we're going to subtract it.
Oh, okay.
13 pounds.
14.
No clue. This is the one that they say is going to outdo the X9.
Oh, really?
It's what they say. Yeah, it's all dual rotor.
Just like the X9. They built this because of the X9.
Pretty much. The New Holland is basically, same thing. It's supposed to be the world's largest draper head.
Turbo.
too.
How's it going, guys?
Good. That's different.
It is. Yep. It's a different way of loading, more accurately, more efficiently. That's what it's all about.
We just passed Tony Reed, didn't we? Pretty cool. Some nice classic tractors here for a change. Man, that thing's pretty. $55,000? Golly. Yeah. Oh, it's sold. What'd they pay? Look at that. Well, no doubt about it, somebody got them a nice tractor.
Get you a pup trailer.
Gonna probably be middle of April.
Where are you guys from?
Southern Indiana. We're about 45, 50 miles from here.
I got
That ain't bad at all.
10 of them on hand, but I got 15 of them on order.
You got 15 sold? Or
Yeah, 15 sold. 30 of them getting made on the 10th of April. So,
And when we need to haul manure?
Middle of April. We're cutting it close.
Yeah, I need a by the middle of April for sure. Not
I'll see
sooner.
if I can snag one of the ones. Actually, one of them is sold to, there's 10, Phone Express has got 10 of them on order.
Oh, did they? I gotta check their prices. Watch them be about $400 over there.
I can guarantee you it won't be $400.
How does it feel buying your first piece of equipment at a farm show ever?
How about first piece?
Well, first piece in a long time.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I wouldn't have done it except I got a free back kid.
Oh yeah, that makes all the difference. Joseph. So Dad just bought a quick attach for the loader. First thing he's bought at a show in years, isn't it, Emmy?
Yeah.
So mid-April is when that thing's supposed to come in, put it on so we can spread manure, but look at all these DeWalt tools. I mean, if that ain't a sight of heaven, then I don't know what is. So far, pretty good day at the show. A lot of stuff here, a lot of stuff and people to see. If you missed it this year, then definitely ought to check it out next year. This thing's huge.
Yeah, they send it at the edge of the field. And then bring.
She just called this place Redneck Disney World because pizza here is $7 a slice. So you can only imagine regular size pizza how much that would cost. It's outrageous. about these toolboxes. Those store-lock ones. I've heard a lot of good things about them.
The cattle equipment is now.
We're spending more money. Well, that's a purpose for a bale feeder I thought I'd never see. Yeah, it is. We've got one like that at the shop.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, shit. Never mind
Ooh, no, that powder coat's pretty. I like that. One day when I hit the lottery, I'll have some powder coat on my truck. Maybe. Why not? Millennial Farmer. Is he there? H&S ain't here again.
Were they right there? Were right here.
Yeah, they were right here. Everybody's doing cameras now. Everybody's making cameras. We need to get a little cedar I can pull behind my gator. There's one right there. Look at that. We'll get a cedar to put behind the gator. bet if I could put one of these baby spreaders behind the lawnmower or my gator, we cover some serious ground. Don't you think? I may have.
Maybe, I don't know.
I like that bell wagon. There's a cow.
Hitting your connector, look out.
Yeah.
You'll have silage coming back and knocking down on that.
So there should be like a channel or
It should-
something coming up over that to protect it. Or else have it in one big loom all the way across there.
Like a steel rod, weld it to it and run the wire through it.
Or yeah, that too. This new blade here's got lights hooked into the front of it. Probably wouldn't break too easy, but still always the possibility. Are those supposed to be like turn signals? I think they are. They're orange, shaped like a turn signal. I think so. You got a light bar in the front and then it's a separate light.
That's all we
What's the
saw.
milk?
That's all we saw.
That's why we smelled manly.
It's so pretty. I want
Chocolate milk comes from a brown cow, folks. That's cool. There's some, that's bright. Well, Emily, how's the show?
It was good.
I think we had a good time. I think we're getting ready to go home, but I must say we covered a lot of ground today, and we had a blast. We're gonna go get some dinner now, and definitely, if you didn't come this year, you definitely missed out. I think it's good every year, though, ain't it? Yeah. So we're gonna go get some dinner and then go home and try to go through all the stuff we got, because once again, there's a bunch of free stuff that we grabbed and stuff we bought. Spent a lot of money, a whole bunch of money. So we're gonna have to go through and figure out whose stuff is whose and divvy it up. But it was a great show as always. Had a great time. What's going on?